I'm Pooja. Welcome back to Simply Saffron. Today I'm going to show you one of the recipes which is very quick, and this is a quick dinner and you can do it with whatever you have in your pantry. You don't need fancy stuff or anything, and that is stuffed bell pepper. And I'm going to do it southwestern style. And so the first we need is to cut the bell peppers. Now usually people do it with cutting the top off, but today I'm going to show you another way, that is cutting it into half. So just like that. And then you need to clean this the membranes and the seeds, so you can run your knife through that. Be careful to not puncture the skin. Same thing with this one. You want the membrane. You want to make a pocket in there so that you can put your filling inside. So as easy as that one. And now we are going to brush the inside and the outside with a little bit of oil. So I have cut all the bell peppers into half, and then we have brushed inside and outside with a little bit of oil, and we're going to sprinkle some salt and pepper to it. Just a little bit. And then we are going to roast this. This is pre-roasting. So this is, we are going to roast it for 15 minutes in 400 Fahrenheit. And while we are roasting, we are going to make the filling. To start with the filling, we are going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a heated pan, and we are going to add a cup of chopped onions into it and let it cook till it turns translucent. And then we are going to add about 3 cloves of garlic minced and let it cook. And then to it, we are going to add about a pound of any kind of ground meat. May it be ground chicken, ground turkey, or ground lamb, any meat of your choice, whatever you have it in your fridge. Then we are going to cook it till the rawness of the meat is gone. And to it, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. And to that, then we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. The ingredients of the taco seasoning is in the description box below. We're going to give it a stir. And now we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, tomato paste actually, but if you have puree, that works too. And we are again going to cook till the tomato paste rawness is gone. Now we are going to add salt as per taste. Give it a stir. And now we are going to add some smoked paprika. Now if you don't have smoked paprika, any kind of red chili powder works, or any paprika works. Now we are going to add about half a cup of cooked beans. Usually black bean works. Black bean is the normal one to go, but I didn't have it, so I used the northern beans. And now we are going to add a cup of cooked rice. Again, any kind of rice works, whichever you have in your pantry. We are going to mix all of them together. And lastly, we'll add some chopped cilantro. So my stuffing is ready, and the bell peppers have come out after 15 minutes of roasting in the oven too. So we are going to fill the bell peppers. So I'll show you how to do it. Now instead of for vegetarian options, like instead of the meat, you can use tofu, crumbled tofu. You can use the Indian paneer. You can just use quinoa too with the bell peppers. Okay, so we are done filling one of the bell peppers. Then we are going to sprinkle some cheese on top of it, and then we are going to finish all these and put it in the oven and bake it for 15 minutes in 400 degree temperature. So I'm done with all the bell peppers stuffing, and also I put cheese on top, and now this will go in the oven and it'll bake for 15 minutes at 400 degree Fahrenheit. So we are done baking. This has come out after 15 minutes, and you can see the cheese has melted and it looks really good. It's all gooey. So now we are going to show you how to plate it. And I'm going to take just a little bit of sour cream and put a dollop on top of it, and some cilantro, and a little bit of smoked paprika, just a sprinkle top of it. Just like that. And you can decorate it with 2 lime wedges. And here you go. And there you go. The perfectly Southwestern quick dinner, and easy to make, fast. Hope you like it, and happy cooking, happy baking, and see you next week. But don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron. Bye for now.